Hi, this is Classic Techart, and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a look other design. So it is so cool and so gorgeous and a simple logo design. So the guys, friends, I'm requesting you just look back to this logo design. Just watch this video to the end. You will learn something from here. So number talk. Let's begin today. So what we're going to do, I need just to click all the things and it's just a little bit small and keep to the counter side like that. I'm keeping to the counter side as I previous done. So what we're going to do, I go to the text type tool. So I just put it over here like that, and I just bigger a little bit and delete all the things here. Right down, just click like that. Yes, done. I'll put to the center like that. I'm just following exactly like that, but I select all the things, get to the grid outline, and just to ungroup all the things, and I need to delete like that, but I do it like that exactly. So we're today I go to the dashboard and it just select ellipse tool over here. I'm gonna just make that tapping here, and I need top fill color. That I need color and a little bit bigger. I think a little bit more better. That too big. This is way okay. A little bit like that. I'm just putting like that. It's okay. A little bit bigger. And that too much. Like a little bit. I think that's okay. So I need again to put over here. Just like copy this one. Go to the edit. Like the copy. Okay. 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 And I think I need now one fill color and none it true color. Okay, that's done. Now go to the again dashboard. I needed the rectangle like that. I think a little bit here like that. Just a little bit kind of like that. I think it's okay. So right here, just go to the object and expand all the things. Go to the shape builder tool, and by pressing all the key, cut that. Okay, it's okay. Get a job. I'll just save the there and keep center. Okay, and it's center. Come to right like that and copy by pressing all the key there. See, same to some thing a little bit right side, a little bit more better. See, it's done. It's good, looking good. See, I delete previous one, keeping this side. Okay, I just group by pressing Ctrl and G. See? Oh, it's okay. These are all. Thanks for watching.